Hi everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Andreea and in today's video I'm sharing with you this super colorful makeup look. I don't know what I was inspired of candies. I love how it turned out. I think it's fun, it's fresh. Don't be fooled by all these colors that I've used on my eyes. In this video, I'm sharing a lot of skincare products because I kind of have some problems with my skin right now. I've created a very thin, beautiful, luminous base. So you might want to check that out. New foundation. Yeah, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that ring bell button so you'll be notified whenever I post new videos. Now let's get into this makeup look. I have no clue what's going on with my skin, but if you look up close, babe, can you get me up close? We've got one. We've got like 5. In this video, I'm going to show you everything that I'm gonna do, starting with skincare. So I just washed my face and I used this sugar face polish from Fresh. This is a face scrub. It looks like this. So I just took it, rubbed it, especially around my nose where the skin feels very, what's the opposite of not smooth? Dull and uneven. And now I'm going to go on using this Lom Rescue Mask. This is my go-to mask when I have, one of the go-to masks when I have skin problems, probably since 2011, 2012. It used to be in a different packaging, more like in a tube. It looks like this. It's a clay mask and it just works for me. I'm going to apply it with this brush. Alright, now I'm going to leave this mask for about 15-20 minutes. What I love about this mask is that I feel like it just takes all the impurities out of your skin. Time to wash my face. Okay, I'm back and I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's just brighter. I feel so clean. Alright, now the mask that I've used, it's a little bit drying. So I'm going to use this Adaptogen Soothe and Hydrate Activated Mist. This is from Youth to the People. You can use this any time of the day. It's nice, it's refreshing. I am crazy about lip balms and I like to start my makeup by applying lip balm. This way by the end of my makeup, you know, when I apply something for the lips, they're going to be nice and hydrated. This is a new one. It's from Fresh. They have one of the best lip balms out there. Very hydrating, but not... The mint is present, but not disturbing. You know, sometimes it can be a little bit disturbing. Alright, we're moving on with the Kale Spinach Hyaluronic Acid Peptides. This is also from Youth to the People. A lot of people from Instagram told me that whenever I apply hyaluronic acid, I should make sure that my skin is a little damp. So I'll apply a little bit more of this. Now I'm just going to go on with that hyaluronic acid. And the reason why I apply the hyaluronic acid on damp skin is because the hyaluronic acid has this power of just capturing the water, so keeps the moisture in your skin. Oh god, it feels so good. I've been using this Supreme Maintenance Youth Serum. This is from Dr. Sebagh. This is the last time I'm going to use it. I mean, it wasn't that much product to start with, but I honestly really like this. I like how the skin feels after this. It's just makes it so smooth and plump. Do I always use 2 serums? No. Next is La Mer eye cream. This eye cream comes with this little applicator. So I like to apply the eye cream with it. But then again, nothing compares with the fingers. This is my Exuviance Age Reverse Day Cream. I used this for the past 6 months. This is the second cream that I got. It hydrates the skin without making it very oily. It has SPF 30, so it's amazing. I have a brand new foundation for you. I've just discovered this. I saw a video on IGTV. I don't even know who that person was, but I saw how it was spread on the face and the finish. That same day I went and bought it. It's the Shiseido Synchro Skin Glow. I got two colors. I've got 3 neutral and golden 4. Golden 4 is more like what I need right now. I'll take this Kat Von D brush. This is normally for powder. This is so creamy, so lightweight. Look at the glow of this foundation. This is beautiful. Now, who would not like this? Very, very oily skin. Who would love it? Mature skin, dehydrated skin, dry skin, combination skin. It's perfect for summer. It's super lightweight. It has a beautiful glow. Armani Power Fabric Concealer. This is a number 4, and it's such a beautiful lightweight concealer. Sephora 57 brush. I can't recommend this brush enough for concealer. I've applied a little bit of that concealer on my pimple right there. What I love about this concealer is that it becomes one with the skin. I love to use a cream blusher for many reasons, but the main reason why I love it is because it's just so undetectable on the skin. It looks like really you're blushing from within. And my favorite color for summer is Torrid from NARS. This is a very, very long-lasting blush, and you literally need a drop. I'm going to take it with this FO3 High Cheekbone Highlighter from Sigma. It says it's from highlighter, but who cares? I like to apply my blush quite in the middle of the face. I think it's just very youthful on me. The secret about applying the blush, the liquid or cream blush, is to barely touch the skin. Make sure you hold your brush from the very end. This way you have less pressure on the brush. Now you tell me if this color is not amazing. Now I'm going to use this Huda Beauty Tantour. This is contour and bronzer cream, and I'm going to use this as a bronzer just to warm up the skin. This is a cheek brush from Laura Mercier, and just use it a little bit on the forehead like so. As dewy as this makeup is, if I go outside 30 degrees Celsius, this is going to melt in 1 hour. My skin is pretty dry on the cheeks, but in summer, especially in summer, on the T-zone, it becomes extremely, extremely oily. So I do need to set. Besides, I don't really like that much of a glow on my skin. As usual, my Laura Mercier. I'll use this Hakuhodo brush. This is G5521B brush. This concealer didn't crease at all, so I can go ahead. I think that's a little bit too much powder. And set this. Alright, we got closer because we're going to do the eye makeup, and I'm going to use this Huda Beauty Neon Palette. The color payoff is just beautiful. They're not too expensive considering the fact that you've got 9 colors. You're super pigmented, definitely for makeup lovers, super easy to travel with, cool packaging. I don't know, I love this brand. Plus you have a very good, decent sized mirror right here. So the first color that I'm going to use is this beautiful one right here, and I'll apply it with the Laura Mercier eye color in the center of my eye, like right here. A little bit on the mobile lid as well. I want my eyes to look like candies. Then I will take this first color right here, this yellow, with the Laura Mercier eye crease. And I will apply it right at the edge of the color that we've just applied. I'm taking back my other brush that I've applied that pink, and I'm gonna blend these colors together right here. And then, because I couldn't make up my mind, I like both and both of them worked, I didn't know if I should apply this one or this one, so I've applied it both. And the best way to apply shimmery eyeshadows, especially from Huda Beauty, is with your finger. First, I'm going to take that orange in the first row. Don't do this in the eyeshadows because they're very delicate. When you grab the eyeshadows, just do this, okay? Mainly in the center. But then I wanted to add some pink. This is how Libras are. We just can't make up our minds. Now again, taking that yellow and apply it on the inner corner. Then I will take this Givenchy pencil and I will apply it on the waterline and also at the base of my lower lashes. And then with the tapered blending brush from Bodyography, I'm just blending this. Now we are going to test the new mascara from Laura Mercier. This is Caviar Volume. I'll be honest with you, I do not like it, and I will explain also why. I like mascaras that makes my lashes thicker because my lashes, they're very thin. So I like mascaras that make them thicker, longer, and this one does a good job, but I've used better. So that's why I'm like, you know? On my lower lashes, I'll use my MAC Extended Play Chica Black Lash. I'm going to apply some individual lashes and I will use these ones. They're from Sweet Lashes and this is not their original packaging. They normally come in this beautiful, colorful box, but for me it's easier to take them out of that box when I travel, so they're literally the best lashes. And they come 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 3 by 3. They're amazing. You know what? I love it. The lashes give it a little bit of a weight, but that doesn't bother me. I could never apply lashes on myself the way I apply it on a client because on this side, obviously they go a little bit like this. On this side, they go a little bit up. They're not perfect, but it's okay. This is Huda Beauty in Anniversary. 329 lip definer brush from Zoeva. I think this lipstick goes perfect with the look. Now for some major glow, I'm going to use the iconic highlighter. Shines like crazy. You see where I already have a glow? A downside to this highlighter is that it will kind of dissolve your makeup, so be very careful with it. Alright guys, supposedly this is going to be your party summer makeup. So we're going to spray it with this Huda Beauty Resting Boss Face. This is a waterproof setting spray, ultra matte finish. You spray this and your makeup will not move. However, it has a ton of alcohol. We all know how irritating this could be for your face, so I definitely do not suggest you to use this one every day. Only on certain occasions. I feel the need of telling you that every time I use this because I don't want you guys to use this every day. Can somebody please make a setting spray that doesn't have fragrance? I so love the way this look turned out. Today I just had one single idea. I wanted to do something out of my comfort zone. I wanted to do something colorful. I truly hope you enjoyed this look. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button, that subscribe button, the ring bell button, all the buttons. So you'll be back. You'll be announced when I post a new video, so you're gonna be back. I'd love that. Make sure you follow me on Instagram so that, you know, we hang around in there as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! I have a glass right here that I'm gonna cover because I'm gonna spray this all over. So it's just water, right? Thank God my husband is not home. Love, it's like my neighbor know exactly when I click on the recording button because... Dude, I'm filming!